So what did Betsy Cohen bring to the table? Because the last thing I heard, it was going to be an IPO. Why a SPAC? Why are you going down this road?
Well, we think SPACs are an innovative new way to take companies from the private markets into the public markets. This is I think, ninth SPAC of the fintech group. And Betsy, we've known Betsy for a while. She has vast experience in the public markets and being on the board of public companies in the US. And we think this combination will definitely help us in our next stage of growth as a public company.
I want to get to how you're going to compete. Also, obviously, we've heard a lot about this upcoming Robinhood IPO. A lot of users here in the US. The US is still less than 10% of your business. How do you compete?
Well, first of all, eToro today is the world's largest social trading network. We have 20 million registered users into our social network, where users from over 100 different countries can discuss the markets, follow the stocks around the world, both US markets, European markets, Asian markets, as well as cryptocurrencies. And then they can fund their brokerage account in eToro to trade commission-free stock trading from 100 different countries, alongside cryptocurrencies, commodities, ETFs, indices, and traditional currencies. And our unique patent technology enables our users to see the track record of other users, to see the actual portfolios of users on our platform, and to automatically copy them. Today, we have 1,400 popular investors on the eToro platform, which are being copied by hundreds of thousands of users. And they generated in 2020 51% returns on average. Just to quickly explain how copy trading works, because that is the unique part of eToro. You can open and fund your brokerage account with eToro, then you can select an amount out of it, and you can select to copy someone with $500 based on his historical track record on eToro, that copies his entire portfolio into your $500. And every time he trades, it trades automatically in your account at the same time and the same price and the same proportion. So you can both trade directly the markets on eToro or copy the most successful investors on the platform.
So is what you're saying you just have more to offer then?
We believe that our success overseas, we've grown last year 147% year-over-year revenues to over $600 million. We've grown significantly both in Europe and in Asia. And we do believe that our unique product experience and our social trading network offers a very interesting product for the US markets as well. We've launched our crypto trading platform in the US and have experienced triple-digit growth rates for US business quarter over quarter recently, obviously with Crypto Rally 2.0 upon us. And we're very excited about the next stage of growth of eToro in the US as well, preparing to launch commission-free stock trading and social trading across both crypto and stocks in the US.
So we'll get to crypto in a second. I just want to ask, because you brought it up in terms of launching commission-free trading. There's a lot of drama here around Robinhood in terms of how long it takes to settle trades, leading to how much money they have to have on their books, payment for order flow, which I know you guys don't use because it's not allowed in Europe, all the way to is there responsibility of Robinhood to the people that use the platform to explain what's in there. What's your take on all of this, particularly as, are we going to regulate short selling could come into play also?
First of all, I think we've been doing this for a while. We started eToro in 2007 with a vision of opening the global markets for everyone to trade and invest in a simple and transparent way, and are excited to see the rise of retail investors and a generational buying moment of Generation Y, who are opening up and discovering capital markets. So I think, first of all, we need to remember the excitement here is really about an entire generation that are discovering capital markets and the rising voice of retail investors in capital markets, which is a very positive thing for the market, something that we've been promoting since the first day we started eToro and the democratization of the world of investing. With the rise of digital platforms like eToro and others, there's an estimated 20% of the world's equities which are going to move into digital platforms like eToro over the next 10 years, which means the opportunity and the responsibility is in the trillions. And I think a part of the uniqueness of eToro is we view the social network as an educational platform, which enables our users not only to trade themselves and access the markets, but also see what other people are doing, asking questions to the most successful investors on our network, see great content that's being published on our social network, analysis of companies, and through that education, we believe that people can become more successful investors on the platform. Regarding market infrastructure, market infrastructure works differently in every market. We're regulated in the UK, in Europe, in Australia, and now in the US as well. We highly believe that market infrastructure is an important part of obviously the business and being able to provide retail investor access to the markets. But I don't think we have a specific view into recent issues in the US.
Let's talk a little bit about the rate of change in terms of the crypto business. It has been eye-popping. Clearly, this has been a huge growth driver and, as you say, the foundation in some ways of the business. Do you think the delta stays the same? Do you think you continue to attract users into this segment of the market at the rate that you have? How robust do you think that market is? It has traditionally been very volatile. Some of that volatility has come out. It's been a one-way trade recently. Do you think that's sustainable?
We've been pioneers and big believers in crypto very early on. We bought some crypto to our treasury back in 2011, so 10 years before Elon Musk. Unfortunately, not with $1.5 billion, but we were lucky and smart enough to buy some Bitcoins at $5 and $10 in 2011. We were the first regulated brokerage in Europe to offer Bitcoin trading back in 2013. And have experienced a hyper growth stage for the company during the first crypto rally. We made a strategic decision to focus on our equities offering during crypto winter. So we invested a lot of resources to scale our equities offering, to launch commission-free stock trading globally. We are the only global broker-dealer offering commission-free stock trading in 100 different countries to our users. And we've seen the equities business in eToro grow from 11% in 2017, when crypto was about 62%, to about 44% in 2020. So we've been able to grow eToro 147% in revenues from 2019 to 2020, where crypto only represented 16% of our revenues, while still cementing. We made a couple of acquisitions within the crypto space. We're very big believers in blockchain technology as a significant paradigm shift for the entire financial services industry for the next 10 years. So we're very well positioned to cater to the increased customer demand currently that we're seeing in what we call Crypto Rally 2.0, as you've probably... Yes.
Yoni, Bitcoin has been such a big driver of crypto. Where else are you seeing retail traders drive into crypto markets?
We've been big fans of Ethereum as well. We've seen other cryptocurrencies that gain significant popularity on the eToro platform, like Cardano and some others. So there are a lot of very interesting developments within the crypto space, and we're seeing significant engagement of users on eToro within the crypto markets available on our platform.